Hello and welcome to Food Earth. In this video, I am making a simple and delicious curry with spinach and lentils or dal, a staple food of Indian subcontinent. For that we need dal. Yellow lentils or red lentils can be used for this recipe. I am using yellow lentils here and I have soaked 1 cup of lentils for 1 hour. Wash the soaked lentils and cook it with double the amount of water. Adjust the heat while cooking to avoid overflowing. I removed some foam from the top. It took 10 to 12 minutes to cook the lentils well. If you are using the lentils from India, soak them for a longer time or cook them in pressure cooker. Once the lentils are cooked, close the pan and keep it aside. Then we need onion or shallots, garlic pods, ginger, chili which is optional, tomato, juice from half of lemon, coriander leaves and spinach. Any variety of spinach can be used. For seasoning, I am using black mustard, cumin seeds and curry leaves and ghee or oil for frying and salt to taste. Finely chop the ginger and garlic, cut the shallots, tomato and chili. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of ghee or oil. Add the mustard seeds, cumin and curry leaves. Mustard seeds and curry leaves are optional. Be careful with the sputtering of mustard seeds. Add ginger and chili first. Saute for half a minute and then add garlic and shallots. When the onions are fried, add the cut tomato and let it cook for a minute or two. Now it's time to add the salt and spices. I'm adding a teaspoon each of powdered turmeric, black pepper, coriander, cumin and cayenne. If you don't have these spice powders, you can just add 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half to 1 teaspoon of pepper. Let the masalas fry for a minute. Now add the spinach and some water for cooking them. After a couple of minutes, add the cooked lentils and mix everything well. Let it cook for 2 minutes. And now check for salt and pepper and add them if required. Then add half to 1 teaspoon garam masala and juice of a half lemon and the chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well and switch off the stove. The Paalak Dal is ready. This curry tastes good with rice as well as chapati or roti. Lentils are very healthy and rich in protein. Do add them in your diet very often. I've combined the spinach dal with coconut rice, salad and homemade mango chutney. This is such a wholesome meal with a perfect balance of macronutrients and micronutrients. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.